If you're running out of money, you've probably tried to make more money or cut back on spending. Another way to tackle your bills is to negotiate better prices for the products and services that you need. Here's how. First, take a look at what you're spending the most on. You can't just cut out the costs of the true essentials that you need for your health and security. These include your rent or mortgage, essential utilities like gas, electricity, or water, child support, income taxes, insurance, car payments. It may also include student loans or any other debt like a personal loan. But just because these expenses are crucial doesn't mean their prices or terms are necessarily fixed. If you live in an energy choice state, you can say you're considering switching providers to negotiate a better rate. Even if there's only a single provider, you may still qualify for rebates, deferment, or installments based on income, age, or usage. When it comes to credit card companies, they would always rather you pay something than nothing. You can try to negotiate your interest rate down, especially if you're consistently making your payments. You can also try to qualify for a forbearance program that would defer your payments for a couple of months. Or you could be eligible for a zero interest balance transfer. Once a credit card or other company has your business, they want to keep you around instead of trying to recruit new customers all the time. For cell phone providers, you'll want to mention that what you're getting for the price you're paying just isn't working anymore. They may be able to change your plan to something that better suits your needs, and if that doesn't work, most competitors offer to pay off your contract. So if you see a more appealing price point somewhere else, threaten to switch. Use these same tips for negotiating cable and internet bills too. Pricing for a lot of your bills is dependent on usage. Take car insurance, for example. You usually pay upfront for how much you think you're going to drive that year. Call them and tell them that you're considering getting rid of your car altogether. A quick analysis of your usage could yield discounts, or they may have rolled out new programs that you qualify for. Got student loans? The owners of those loans would like you to keep paying rather than stopping altogether. Switching to an income-based repayment plan could lower your payments. While you're chatting, talk to them about deferment and forgiveness options as well. If you have federal loans, you have lots of repayment options. But even if you have private loans, it's still worth having a conversation with your servicer if you're facing a financial hardship. And yes, even your rent is negotiable. It costs a lot for a landlord to attract and vet a new tenant. There's repairs, advertising, legal fees, and that's just to name a few. If you're a good tenant, negotiate a rent increase freeze, or better yet, ask for a discount. And you might be able to offer to do some maintenance for a discount as well. If you're struggling and negotiating isn't enough, be sure to look into assistance programs. There are many places to seek government and nonprofit help beyond unemployment and food stamps. Consider making a confidential call to the United Way or your county for assistance programs that could help you. And remember, this is a rough patch and it feels really heavy, but be kind to yourself. Focus on the small steps you can take over time and you'll come out stronger on the other side.